Hey everybody, it's Margaret. Welcome to my channel, Homeschool Honey. In today's video, we are going to do a hands-on demonstration for the digestive system. So these are all the things you're going to need. We need vinegar, water, plastic bags. I've got some big funnels here, the kind for canning, some food like bananas and bread, crackers, that kind of stuff, lettuce to be the food, and then also some whisks or mashers. These are going to be the teeth to mush up the food, scissors, and then also some stockings. We'll need some water and some paper towels, and then I have some gallon bags. These are the stomachs. So we've been talking about the digestive system, and I thought it would be really fun for the kids to have a hands-on demonstration for what the food goes through and just talking it through as we do the different steps in the digestive system. So these are all the different things that we need. So first, while we're doing this, I start talking to them about this is your mouth, and you're chomping up your food with your teeth. This is just little bites that you're taking. We're biting up breads and crackers and lettuce. And then we put in a few tablespoons of water, and this is the saliva that helps break down our food when we start chewing it up. Then the kids all wanted to take turns with the different smashers, and these are our teeth that are chewing up our food, mixing it all up with our saliva, and we want to get it nice and chewed up. So next we're using a canning funnel, and this is going to be our esophagus. And if I'd had a long tube, that'd be something fun to do as well, but I didn't have a big long tube to put it through. But we are talking about this being where we swallow it down, and it's going to go down our esophagus and into our stomach. So the plastic bag is our stomach in this model. And what I do here is I take you could use a bowl or a measuring cup or any kind of container, and I wrap it around the measuring cup so that the esophagus, the food, will drop into the stomach. So take care of that for the kids, get those done. And once we've got all of our stomachs ready, then we are going to take our food and we're going to put it through our esophagus as it goes down into our stomachs. So at this point, we start talking about what happens when our food is in our stomach. There is acids in our stomach, things that help break our food down even further to help our bodies absorb it. So we use a tablespoon or two of vinegar to be the acids in our stomach to really help us break down more of the food. Once you've got the acid in there, you're going to start having your stomach churn everything up and start breaking things down even more. This is the point when my kids, well, one of my kids was a little bit disgusted and didn't want to participate too much anymore. So I had to help him with the breaking down of the food in his stomach. Oh well. So next we talk about the food going into the small intestines, and this is where a lot of the nutrients are absorbed into the body. So once again, we're going to take our funnel and we're going to put our food from our stomach into the small intestines. So I made sure to do this over a bowl because it's a little bit more gushy now. So we pour it in. And yeah, one of my kids was out at this point. So we talked about the small intestines being the place that a lot of the nutrients were absorbed. So at this point in our stocking, we start squeezing out all the nutrients that we can. And luckily we have this bowl to squeeze them into. But in the body, they're going into different parts of the body for use. And so squeezing out all the nutrients before our food gets shipped off to the large intestines. So I didn't show you this part on camera, unfortunately, but we use paper towels for the large intestines. We just keep the food in the same hosiery for the small intestines, and this is where we start getting the rest of the liquid out of the food that has already passed through the small intestines. It's going through the large intestines now, and it's getting all of the rest, or most of the rest, of the liquids extracted from it. And then finally, we have the rectum and the colon, and the food comes out, and the entire process has been completed, and our waste from what went into our mouths has come out at the other end. I hope you enjoyed this activity, and let me know if you try it at home. We had great fun recreating the digestive system. Talk to you later. Bye.